I made it in through the back door while it's under construction. Let's have a look. Fireplace looks great. The ceiling will look great with the big fan. Cabinetry is in. The stairs going downstairs, waiting for the horizontal rails. Front door. Hall bathroom. Looks good. Back bedroom. See, the flooring looks good. Front bedroom. Heading into the master bathroom. Decorative dining room wall looks good. Master bedroom. Decorative wall looks good. The cabinetry is in. Master shower looks great. Toilet room. Walk-in closet. Everything's looking good. The back of the house looks good. Color looks really nice. It'll be interesting to see how the patio is configured. Still have to put the stone in, the driveway, the service walks, the pillars. It's looking really good. Today is October 24th, 2022. We should be less than a month from closing.